Namaskar and greetings. I am Dr. Preti Bhalla, professor at Lovely Professional University, and I warmly welcome you to the MOOC titled Leading with Social and Emotional Learning, Emotional Intelligence for Academic and Professional Growth. In today's rapidly changing world, success depends on not only technical knowledge but also on emotional intelligence, resilience, empathy, collaboration, and ethical decision making. These competencies have become essential for academic success, professional excellence, and responsible leadership. Keeping this in view, this course has been designed to support the vision of the National Education Policy 2020 by promoting holistic, multidisciplinary, competency-based and learner-centric education. Learning outcomes for this course are: first, the student would be able to demonstrate emotional intelligence in academic and professional environment. Secondly, they would be able to apply social and emotional learning principles to leadership, collaboration, and innovation. Third, they would be able to design SEL-infused strategies for building inclusive teams and emotionally healthy workplaces. Another perspective, they would be able to make ethical, responsible, and informed decisions in personal and professional context. They would be able to reflect on professional growth, continuously develop emotional resilience and professional competence. This is a 2-credit undergraduate course aligned with the National Credit Framework Level 4.5. It comprises 20 multimedia-rich modules delivered over 10 weeks, supported through video lectures, real-life case studies, reflective activities, decision forums, and authentic assessments. This course follows a very progressive learning journey. Week 1 introduces the foundation of social and emotional learning, the Kessel framework, and its relevance in Industry 4.0. Week 2 and 3 focuses on self-awareness and self-management by developing emotional regulation, resilience, stress management, confidence, and growth mindset. Week 4 and 5 strengthen social awareness, empathy, diversity, communication, conflict resolution, collaboration, and relationship building skills. Week 6 and 7 develop ethical decision making, responsible leadership, digital empathy, respectful online communication, and emotional regulation in digital environment. Week 8 and 9 integrate social and emotional learning with diversity, equity, and inclusion while demonstrating its application in campus life, internships, leadership, innovation, design thinking, and organizational culture. Week 10 serves as a capstone where the learners develop a personal, social, and emotional learning portfolio. Create a SEL integrated innovation plan. This course is strongly aligned with employability by equipping learners with future-ready competencies such as emotional intelligence, communication, collaboration, adaptability, resilience, ethical leadership, creativity, and problem solving. These competencies are highly valued across diverse sectors that include education, corporate leadership, human resource management, entrepreneurship, healthcare, counseling, public administration, training, organizational development, and social sector. Through its multidisciplinary approach, experimental pedagogy, competency-based learning, and alignment with National Credit Framework, this course aims to prepare learners not only for successful careers but also to become emotionally intelligent, socially responsible, and compassionate leaders who can make meaningful contribution towards the society. Thank you.